Umkhonto weSizwe Party has vowed to stand in solidarity with Dududzile Zuma Sampudla, Member of Parliament and daughter of former President Jacob Zuma, as she faces charges related to the July 2021 unrest. The Umkhonto weSizwe Party provincial leader Willis Mchunu has called on party members and supporters to attend Zuma Sampudla's court appearance at the Durban Magistrate Court on Thursday. The July 2021 riots, sparked by Jacob Zuma's imprisonment for defying a constitutional court order, resulted in widespread violence, looting and destruction of property in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. The chaos led to economic losses estimated at 50 billion rand and prompted a Human Rights Commission investigation. Despite public outcry and calls for accountability, Mchunu defended Zuma Sampudla, describing her as a key figure within the party who deserved unwavering support, and said she's our Member of Parliament and the leader of our National High Command. There's no way we cannot support her. The National Prosecuting Authority has remained tight-lipped about the specific charges Zuma Sampudla faces, with both provincial spokesperson Natasha from Kara and national spokesperson Tunze Mhaka declining to comment. Zuma Sampudla's alleged involvement in inciting violence was previously scrutinized, but she was not among those arrested during a 2022 Hawks operation targeting suspected instigators. However, former Ukhozi FM DJ Ngizwe Mchunu and MK Party youth activist Bonginkosi Khanyile were charged with instigating the unrest. Khanyile, who faces charges of treason, arson, and public violence, revealed that the only 13 individuals, including himself, had been charged in connection with the riots. He confirmed that a crowd had already been mobilized to support Zuma Sampudla in court. A senior MK Party leader suggested that the charges against Zuma Sampudla were politically motivated, and so charging her now, especially after her recent election as chairperson of the Southern Caucus of the Pan-Africanist Parliament, seems like an attempt to tarnish her reputation. Zuma Sampudla's victory in the Pan-African Parliament chairpersonship in November 2024, where she defeated ANC Member of Parliament Mdumiseni Duli, cemented her political influence beyond South Africa's borders. When questioned about the risk of supporting someone accused of instigating public violence, Mchunu dismissed the criticism and said, "Those who think this way lack freedom of thought and expression. We are clear in our support for our national leader, who represents us both locally and in the Pan-African Parliament." Meanwhile, the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's eThekwini region has pledged to mobilize members for Zuma Sampudla's court appearance, while the Moses Mabhida region will focus on supporting Ithala Bank at the Pietermaritzburg High Court, where the South African Reserve Bank is seeking to liquidate the bank. As tensions shimmer and questions linger, Thursday's court proceedings are likely to draw significant public and political attention. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.